And welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I feel like that's just a part of my intro these days because I cannot film a video for the life of me. It's just the editing and posting it that I just have problems with, so bear with me. Anyways, welcome back. Today I am going to be changing my desk into a vanity. What kind of inspired this idea was that I love those vanity mirror lights that everyone has, and they're like $500 to $1,000, which I'm down to dish out, except for it's a lot of money, number one, and number two, then I would have nowhere to put my TV. So I'll show you my desk in a minute, but basically it has a hutch, right? And then on top of the hutch I have my TV, and that's kind of like a deal breaker. Like, I can't not have a TV in my room. Like, where am I gonna watch, you know, David Dobrik's vlogs? So I decided to just kind of DIY my own ish. Just put a little disclaimer, I am really bad at arts and crafts, contrary to popular belief, but that is why you should continue to watch this video, because if you're watching this video, I bet you are like not the best at arts and crafts, or else you would have already had yours done, right? So that makes it even better for you to watch my video, because then if I can do it and you see I can do it, then you can do it. I assure you 100% you will be able to do it if I can do it. So let me just show you my desk that I'm changing into like a desk slash vanity slash TV stand, and I'll show you all the materials I got. I'll leave everything in the description box below if you want to check out the link and purchase it for yourself. Continue watching, please, if you're interested, and subscribe. Okay, everyone, so this is the mirror that I purchased from Michael's. It is just kind of a square mirror. It's something that has to fit between the tabletop and the hutch, so this is kind of just the best that I could get. It was around $7. Never go to Michael's without downloading the app. They have hella coupons on there, and you can get like 50% off, which is what I did. And then I got this peel and stick wallpaper off of Amazon. This is the marble print that's just super popular and basic, but you can do anything. Like, you can do the palm tree leaves for a tropical theme. You can do like a white brick wall as the background, but it's like wallpaper, so it's peel and stick, and it won't be too permanent. So never used this before, but I'm excited to try it out. And then kind of the star of the show and what makes a vanity I feel like is the lighting. This I also purchased on Amazon for like under 30 bucks, and it's just string lights, string LED lights, and that's just what's gonna give us the lighting that we want in order to actually make this vanity functional. Now we got the materials down, I just want to show you before of my hutch. It's a mess just because I've just been using my bathroom. Basically, I put all my makeup that I use every day in there and all my products and stuff, but I have my gym clothes like literally stuffed in there just so they're out and easy to see, so I just go to the gym. I have like a notebook, like dream notebook, my palettes, brushes, flowers, and just literally a mess, like my travel toothbrush and like travel hairspray. And this is the TV that I like cannot get rid of, and I don't know where else to put it. And then we have, you know, just some decor on my phone. Yeah. Anyways, this is what we're gonna change. Okay, so highlighting, wow, yes. Okay, so first things first, I am just gonna kind of clear off all the decor and crap that I have on that desk, and Windex it down, clean it up a little bit so it's nice and fresh and like brand new, so we can get this show on the road. I'm so excited. Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? Why do I have so many batteries? Like, for what? Apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind. I was emotional, babe. I was emotional. I did some crazy shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, babe. I was emotional. Cause I can't keep
of you right underneath me. Don't know what it is. I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings. Yeah, oh, you should know.
So now I kind of cleared it off and cleaned it as much as I could, but let me tell you, I've literally had this desk since I was probably 12, maybe in middle school. I got like my like teenager bedroom adult set, you know. So it's not perfect, but it's as good as it's gonna get. Now I'm just kind of gonna open the wallpaper and try and figure that out. Okay, so let's see, it kind of just comes out like this. I'm like, maybe we should mention it also why. We're just gonna do this real bootleg if we're gonna do a bootleg. So I'm just gonna fold it the length of the table, like fold the end, and then I made a crease in it where, sorry, this shirt's like weird. I made a crease in it where I'm going to cut the line. So then when we pull it up, it'll fit. And you know what? I didn't even use a tape measure because that's right. Say it with me, bootleg bit. The scissors have been secure. I guess I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the videos, but you're gonna need some scissors. Does that look good? So I see people using credit cards a lot for these peel and stick wallpapers to just take out like these air bubbles. I'm just gonna use it to start. Make sure you have something like that handy. And I'm gonna try and just do a little of it at a time.
Right now, babe, what it's gonna be? Cause I ain't gonna waste my time. I give my life to you. I'd give my life to you. Yeah.
Okay, so now since I got that edge secured to this side, I'm gonna take my credit card or my Starbucks gift card and just take out the air bubbles and make sure it sticks all the way to the other side. Okay, so sorry, I don't know why I'm standing this whole video. I'm using these command strips. Let me zoom in a little so you guys can see what's actually happening. If I know how to use this camera. Okay, so I'm using these command strips and I'm just folding them in half. I'm gonna kind of use a lot and like line this whole mirror with them because I'm not trying to have it fall and break because I don't need 7 years of bad luck, okay? I have enough already, as is. Speaking of bad luck, I'm going to tell you guys a story, but there's just too many. I'm pretty stoked. I don't know about you guys, but I like think this is actually going to turn out like decent. Decent by Corinne's standards. Okay, have you guys seen those like assumptions about me videos that YouTubers do and like people write in what they assume? And like honestly, I didn't do that, but I feel like a big assumption of me that I've gotten a lot before is that I have like neat handwriting and that I'm crafty, and that is just like the furthest thing from the truth. Like if I really want to make something happen like this, I will try my best, but when it comes to like attention to detail, I kind of suck. Like I don't really care. I'm like fake it till you make it. All the little nitty gritty stuff, I'm like doesn't matter. Like oh this little huge fuck up, like, who cares? I'm just gonna put a flower vase over it, it's fine. When like other people, that would drive them crazy. At least I know my strengths, and that's one of my weaknesses. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over. Okay, like this. I don't even know if this is a good angle. Do I look like a professional YouTuber yet? Probably not, don't answer that. And then I'm just going to take these command strips and stick them on. I'm really nervous to hang these lights though because that is something that I really do want to be perfect.
Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a racket, your window come down. Just have to say what's on my mind.
Okay, so my parents are gone this weekend, and I was thinking, you know, I should be going out. I should be doing just so many other things than DIYing and filming a YouTube video, but that's literally all I want to do. Like, I'm filming this right now. I'm going to go to work, and then I'm going to come home and edit it and hopefully post it this week. Let's see. I think here's good, because I also want it to be in line, like, with my bed when I look back, so it doesn't drive me nuts. But I'm liking it here. So we're just going to stick her on there. Okay, now we're talking. Ew, I'm so annoying. I'm so sorry. Okay. Now for the lights, baby. Okay, I'm gonna pull this around town. See if I can get it. I really hope you didn't see me struggle that hard. Okay, so I'm just put it through the hutch thing, and then make sure that the power button is easy to access. Plug it back in again. See if it works. Okay. So this is where I kind of don't really know what to do. Do I do it like this? Or do I do it all the way around? Let's see. Or do they do like, wait. See, I think it's an uneven number. Why people do this? Like, what is going on? There's no way I'm gonna be able to get this off. So here I'll be just struggling my life away. Show you guys, this is the progress that I've made on this freaking tag. So, I strongly recommend Goo Gone. This is so amazing. You know how, like, you get that residue when you, like, kind of rip it off like this? Well, the Goo Gone really just, like, cleans up the mirror gun, takes out the stickiness, and, yeah. But I'll just be here doing this forever. Okay, y'all, so this is it. I just put down my Gucci-inspired chair with the fur on it. And I just want to show you this before I put on, like, the decor and, like, all my stuff that I need on there. So let me do it without the lights.
I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings, yeah. Oh, you should know, hope you know, it's so perfect, sweet.
This is what I see when I sit. I love it. Lights on, looking so beautiful. I love you guys. Oh my god, this lighting. Yes, work. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I've kind of struggled my way through this. I am happy that you guys were here to struggle with me. Try it out. Send me pictures if you need help. My DMs are open on Instagram at HeyIt'sCorinne. I will respond, and we're gonna get you a little setup too, okay? So I'll help you out if you have any questions, but as you can tell, I just kind of figured it out as I went along. I'm sure you can too. But I'll be here for you. Alright, till next time, guys. Bye.